Second place is Eureka Garden. And another entry. The first place is Zapalitas Garden, which is the Tara float. The judges were Gina Dutabali, Marlon Absalon, Antonio Adriapico, Susie Ong, John Ong, and Candice April Ong. For the medium category, we have Palawan Pawn Shop, Mount Inasal, and for the first place medium category, Chowking, Fresh and Things Foods Incorporated. We have the same judges for the medium category. And finally, for the large category, third place, Chooks to Go. Second place, Jollibee Foods Corporation. And the first place, Golden Arch Development Corporation or McDonald's for the large category. Paano laban ng fast food? Okay, so the prices for the small float category, 30, 50, and 100,000 sequentially for the third up to the first place. For the medium category, 150,000, 250,000, and 350,000 for the first place. For the large category, third place is 300,000, 400,000 for the second place, and 1 million for the first place.
Okay. So quick run through lang, Ma'am Helen, no? Unahin natin. Kasi nabanggit ni Sir, yung Zapalitas Garden, dalawang entry niya, dalawang yung nanalo. Yung third place, sa small float,
11th Kite Flying Challenge for the youth. Third place is Sainel Kier, 2,000 pesos. Second place, Isabel Ferrer, 3,000 pesos. And first place is Micaela Jade Rosales, 5,000 pesos. For the Colors in Bloom Panagbenga Painting Competition, we have, for the amateur, the winner is Rizan de Guzman, 5,000 pesos. Professional division, the winner is Elizardo Itliriaga Jr., 10,000 pesos. And for the family, Lopez family, represented by Lynette Lopez, 10,000 pesos. For the school-based competitions, Upcycle Dish Garden Competition. This is, flower arrangement, no? Third place, John Rafael Cortiguera, 2,000 pesos. Second place, Keisha May Humiwa, 3,000 pesos. First place, Rhino Dayo, 5,000 pesos. And all the non-winning entries will get 1,000 pesos each and a gift bag. For the Floral Fiesta, Floral Bouquet Design Competition. Third place, Darlene Isabel Venter, 2,000 pesos. Second place, Chris Juzriel Tindongan, 3,000 pesos. First place, Rhino Dayo, 5,000 pesos. And then all non-winning entries will get 1,000 pesos and a gift bag. For the school-based landscaping competition, Big Garden. Third place, Lukban Integrated School, 10,000 pesos. Second place, Adiwang Elementary School, 20,000 pesos. First place, Milan National High School, 30,000 pesos. School-based landscaping competition, Small Garden. Second place, San Carlos Elementary School, 15,000 pesos. First place, Bakaken Elementary School, 25,000 pesos. Sorry, may third place pala. Rojas Elementary School, 10,000 pesos. And then Miss Bunch, Pino will announce the rest.
The Carpet of Flowers category for the Professional Landscaping Competition. For the third place, we have Maria Luisa Patogan. Second place is Christine Palongias, winning 10,000 pesos. And the first place goes to Maria Luisa Conicho, 20,000 pesos. And for the vertical garden, we have third place Christine Palongias, 5,000 pesos. Second place, Maria Luisa Patogan, 10,000 pesos. First place for the vertical garden is Fermin A. Langay, 20,000 pesos. For the open garden category, for the third place, we have Sherla Gay Ruben, 20,000 pesos. Second place, Maria Luisa Patogan, 30,000 pesos. And first place, Christine Palongias, 50,000 pesos. So all participating landscapers were all granted 60,000 grant for their mobilization, waived permit fees and assessment for the duration of the competition and exhibition. And all of those who garnered at least 85% in the rating will get honorable mention. Okay? Now for the Grand Street Dance Competition, for the Rhythm of the Highlands. For the meritorious recognition or third place, we have Ugayang Cultural Dancers. They'll get 30,000 pesos. For the outstanding merit or second place, Iyaman Cultural Group, 60,000 pesos. And the highest overall merit or the winning entry, Kayong Di Umili Ensemble for 110,000 pesos. Aside from these top prizes, all of the participating entries got a grant of 40,000 pesos. For the drum and lyre competition, we have for the third place, Tuba Central School Drum and Lyre Corps, 70,000 pesos. For El Tribo di Lokban, second place, 100,000 pesos. And for the first place, the Mabini Elementary School Drum and Lyre Corps and Street Dancing Group will get 150,000 pesos. Again, on top of these prizes, all of the official participants will get 100,000 each or were already given 100,000 each to mobilize their entry. For the festival dance, I'll turn it over to Ma'am Becca Nulo to announce these winners.
For the festival dance, our third place is Tribu Balitok Apagay from Malasiki, Pangasinan, and they get 70,000 pesos. For the second place, Tribu Kanluran Jones, Pinilisa Festival from Malanit Jones, Isabela, 100,000. First place, Tribu Sigla, Tilongbo Festival from San Luis, Bugola, Union, 200,000 pesos. All other participants were given 50,000 participation grant.